So you're saying if I don't identify myself, I will be arrested, correct?
Legally, you have to identify yourself.
So that's what you're saying. That's what you're telling me. If I don't identify myself right now, I'm going to be arrested, is right? That's what you're saying? Just tell me the word.
We already told you the same thing.
Just tell me the word.
Не робіть комедії.
Just tell me the word. That's fine, and I will give it to you. But you're saying if I don't provide that ID, you will arrest me, right? No.
And we're going to document that we spoke.
And that's fine, and that's fine. But that's under threat of arrest, correct?
No.
So then I don't have to. Okay, so then why do I have to ID?
Because we have to cover.
No, I'm okay. I'm okay. I'd rather not.
So if you're not, then that's going to go to a different.
So then I will get arrested, correct? So under threat of arrest,
So why am I going to tell you?
I'm not. I know my rights. I just
We're gonna ID.
and that's fine, and that's fine, and that's fine, and I understand. But under threat of arrest,
Why do you? I don't understand.
I mean, I just know my rights.
No.
Haven't done anything, but I haven't done anything. What?
Андрію, нема що бавитись, покажи ID.
What did you? I didn't have anything,
Nobody's saying that you have a gun. Listen.
and I didn't say anything about that.
We came here to the welfare check.
What you talking
And
about
that's
the gun?
fine.
Nobody no gun.
And that's fine. So under threat of arrest.
Because that's bothering me too, guys.
So if I don't,
Okay, son.
if I don't give you my ID, so if I don't give you my ID, you will arrest me.
You're
Ну, починай же мене нервувати теж.
No, that's not true. That's not
What we doing? Something illegal?
I know. I read
You
the
don't have to
thing.
give me your ID, but you have to.
Андрій, на що тобі того?
So no, but listen.
What else?
But listen.
Can you just
But listen.
identify
So
yourself?
if I don't identify myself, I will be arrested. Correct? I just want you to hear that.
Son.
Yes. Okay. All right.
Покажи.
That's all I needed to hear. No problem. No problem. That's all I needed to hear.
Покажи, все нормально.
That's fine. That's fine.
Hey guys,
That's fine. That's fine. Here we go. That's under threat of arrest. I provided my ID. I just want you to know
Because
that.
in the state of Connecticut,
No, it's not. No, it's not a stop in ID
Ти
state.
нервуєш,
It's not a stop in ID state. I'm just telling you right now, it's not a stop in
I just
ID
need you
state.
to provide your name.
And that's fine, and I did.
And I'm not
Under
saying,
threat
I'm
of
not saying
arrest.
you have to give me your ID.
Ну,
You have to just
послухай
give me your name.
людину.
That's
And
no, you're
yes,
twisting
you.
things now.
No,
But that's
you're
fine.
the one twisting things.
No,
I
I'm
just
not.
asked you, just
I'm
give
not.
me your name so we can write it down,
I'm not.
check it, and that's it.
That's fine. I'll take this to court. That's no problem.
Okay.
Yeah, because you violated my rights right now.
How?
No, you are. But you are.
No, we're not.
you pressing
fine.
8 guys for what?
But that's fine.
8 guys for what?
Не кричи.
8 policemen, you coming for what?
Because there was a call from his job
That's fine.
regarding his welfare.
He
Bring
said,
20 guys more.
He said, she said, right? So that's fine. You got my ID, right?
We came here to
This
check
is
on
not
you.
a
Okay, and I
criminal
said I'm
matter.
fine, right?
This is
And
not
then
a
you
criminal
threaten to
matter.
arrest me if I don't give you my ID.
We're ID you
Yeah.
and document the
Yeah,
situation
and that's fine.
that we came
Yeah.
here.
Under
You brought
threat
it
of
to their arrest.
arrest. Is that what you told me? So that's fine. Thanks,
I don't
man.
understand why you keep saying threat of arrest for.
Because I needed to hear that. That's
but
all
listen, to
evidence I can
identify
use.
yourself, like
That's
I
fine.
said,
And that's fine.
We identified.
fine.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
And that's
You gotta
fine.
chill out. Just checking on them. That's it.
Все, ходи.
That's all it was.
Okay.
Ходи,
All
то
right.
все, ну подивилися ID. Ото треба було 10 чоловік.
This encounter with Stanford police is a textbook example of why public trust in law enforcement continues to erode. What was supposed to be a simple welfare check quickly devolves into a rights violation. A man who committed no crime finds himself surrounded by multiple officers demanding ID without a shred of legal justification. Connecticut isn't a stop and ID state, yet the officers act as if refusing to identify yourself is grounds for arrest. One even threatens jail time before awkwardly backtracking. Another hides behind the excuse of procedure, but none of them can clearly state what law was broken or why the man is being detained. Let's be clear, a welfare check is supposed to be about making sure someone's okay, not about intimidation, threats, or coercion. But in this case, 8 officers showed up and treated a citizen like a criminal just for knowing his rights. And once they got what they wanted, his ID, they left. No explanation, no support, no resolution. Just a show of force and a message loud and clear: obey or face consequences. This wasn't about safety, it was about control. And when officers operate with that mindset, where the law takes a backseat to ego, everyone should be concerned. Let's keep going. Support the mission by joining my channel, unlocking exclusive perks, and staying part of something bigger. Because without you, there's no CT3.
Is there a reason why?
Yeah, you just can't ride four-wheelers in Stone Mountain Park without a helmet.
Actually,
You
the
can't
guy
ride-
told me I could. The
What guy?
worker here.
What guy?
in one of them buggies, in one of the side by sides.
Like
He
an
told me I
employee?
could, yeah.
Okay, that is incorrect. You can't ride four wheelers. These are state roads, just like any road in the state of Georgia.
Well, I wasn't really riding on the road. I was riding on the
Okay.
sidewalk
You can't
and on the trail.
ride, can't ride four wheelers on the sidewalk.
Is there
Anything like that. Where
paperwork?
Yeah, we can use paperwork. I can get my ticket book. I'll be right back. You got your driver's license on you?
Is there
Yeah,
any
you
probable
driver's
cause for me to?
Probable cause, yeah.
You're riding a four wheeler
Yeah,
on the
let me
sidewalk
get-
and on
let me
the
get
road.
your
No, but I mean, I put it away.
Where's
Did
it
you?
at? It's right there.
Yeah, I'm about to load it
Look,
up.
look, do you have a trailer?
No, it's my truck.
It's in your. Is that your truck? Where's your truck?
Do I have to tell you which my truck? I just told you I'm about to put it away. I came back to where I'm fishing.
Okay. Well, I'm asking you to load it back in your truck.
Yeah.
And then you can.
If I don't ride it, then there's no reason for y'all to
Obviously-
get my driver's license.
Obviously, listen, I'm going to let you ride it from there to wherever you parked. One of these, I'm guessing, is your truck.
No, you're not gonna let me. I'm gonna.
Okay, yes,
You're not gonna
but
let
you
me.
can't legally
You-
ride it in the park.
And I said okay. I
Okay.
told the police I was gonna put it up, and she let me know that I couldn't ride it, so I came straight back.
Okay.
You found me where I'm at. So can y'all guys go ahead and move along?
Well,
I don't know why somebody called y'all and said that
Look,
I was driving
keep-
recklessly through the truck,
we
and I
keep
was
getting
not.
calls on it. That's why we're here. I'm not.
And then go talk to them. Don't come
Right,
talk to
well,
me.
You're the one that's breaking.
Go talk to
the
them. They
ordinance, not
called.
us,
They're
okay?
the one with the worries. I'm not the one with the worries.
You're the one that keeps.
Go
riding
find
the
them.
four-wheeler
Go find them and
in
talk
the
to
place
them.
that's
They're the
not
ones that
legally
called.
To call. To ride
Who
a
called,
four-wheeler.
sir?
I don't know who. I don't know
Then
who
go
called, but
find them. I don't have no problem. I didn't call you guys,
you-
so why would
you-
you guys come to me?
You are the problem. We're asking that you don't.
I
ride it
solved the
anymore.
problem. The officer said I couldn't. I came and trying to put it up.
All right. So you're gonna put it up?
What is he doing?
Are you gonna put it up? So you done riding it?
I didn't. I just said that.
Okay. Well then put it up
Why do I have to put it up when you're here?
because you're the one riding it illegally. We keep getting calls and complaints.
I'm not
on
even gonna turn on anymore. I can push it to where I'm gonna load it.
it. Okay.
There's no reason for you to check my stuff, anyways. That's probably.
I was gonna say.
I don't care what you're looking at. I said you couldn't. You didn't ask me.
I don't
That's a
have to ask
search
you. I can look
engine.
at
That's a
anything I want
search
to.
right there.
This is the United States of America. I can
Yeah,
look at anything I
exactly, right?
like. So where's
So
your
you
truck at?
violated my rights for you asking me for an
Where's
ID.
your truck at?
He's gonna load it. in
I'm
his
not
truck.
asking you.
Well, go get your truck.
I'm not
and
telling
go load
you.
it up.
You're
and
not
don't
telling
ride
me
it on
what
the
to do,
road.
sir.
I just did.
I can go ahead and leave the park as soon as y'all
you sure
leave.
can. That's a good idea.
Yeah, as
That's
soon
why
as y'all
you
leave.
do that.
Am I free to go?
Yeah.
I'm
take
free
off.
to stay.
Go get your truck, load it up.
I'm free
get
to
it
stay
ready.
then, right?
What's that?
I'm free to stay, right?
Well,
If
you're
I'm free to go-
bordering on
if
that
I'm free to
line
go,
where you're
and-
about to get ejected from the park.
You can do whatever you want, sir.
I'm not. I'll do what needs to be done.
Oh,
But what you're going to do is, like you said, you're free
okay.
to
I'm done
leave.
talking.
Go get your materials.
free
Go
to
get
leave.
your truck.
Free to
Put
stay,
your-
right?
Put your dirt
You're
bike
free to
in
stay
it or
as long
whatever
as
it
you're not
is.
riding a four-wheeler.
Am I free to leave?
Yeah.
I'm free to stay.
You are free to stay.
Y'all can
As
go
long as
ahead
you're
and
not
go.
riding a
Y'all can go
four-wheeler.
ahead and go, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. So you're going to go get
Have
your
a
four-wheel
wonderful
and put it in the
day.
truck?
Have a wonderful day, sir.
I hope you have a great day too, but go get
All
your
right.
four-wheel and put it in the truck. We're going to make sure this is taken care of.
What's your
before we
name
leave.
and your badge number, sir?
My badge number is 117, Mark.
Don't get in my face like that.
Oh, I just wanted to make sure you heard it.
You're really close.
So where's your truck at?
And you got my keys.
Right. Where's your truck at?
Can I
That's
have
to
my
keep
keys?
you from riding it off.
That's my property. You got my property now?
Yeah. Where's your truck at?
Can you have a business card?
No, I don't have
No,
a business
you got a
card.
business
You
card?
got your truck.
You do? Can I get
Yeah.
one? Thank you
Where's
so
your
much,
truck
sir.
at, bud? We're trying to make this easy and simple. All you got to
You're
do
the
is
one
take
that-
this.
I told her I'm gonna put it up.
Okay, well,
I
what
came
that-
to
what
where I'm
saying is,
parked.
where is your truck?
Why? I don't need to answer your questions.
Take your key, put it in there. Where's your
Don't
truck?
tell me
But
what
you
to do.
can't-
Just tell me
listen,
give my property,
Listen
sir.
to me. Here's your key. Take it and put
Look,
it in there.
have my
put it
property.
in your truck. Okay?
Without any consent or him confiscating my property, he took my keys off
I'm
my
giving you the
property.
benefit of the doubt because I was going to
Listen,
check it see if
sir.
it was stolen. Okay, if you want to continue to
Stolen.
push this effort, if you want to continue to push this, you can make it worse
Go
on
run
yourself.
it to-
We're
run
trying
the
to be
VIN.
nice.
Run
We're
the
saying
VIN.
you can go on your way.
Run the
All you have
VIN.
to do
Go ahead and run the
is
VIN.
go get that thing and put it in your truck.
Run the VIN if you think it's
And don't
stolen.
ride
Do
it
your
on the
job
road
then.
anymore.
Don't come bother
Can
me.
you do that?
Don't bother me.
Can't you do
Run your
that?
tag.
Listen.
I already said. I don't know why. Don't talk to
Yeah,
them.
they're
Don't talk to
together, I
them.
think
Don't,
so.
don't talk to them.
That's all you gotta do. That's all we're asking. You can.
I told her I'm gonna put it up.
Okay, we'll go put it
What
up.
did I say, ma'am?
You said you would put it up.
All right,
It's not
man.
up yet. Where are you parked?
Right here.
Okay, go ahead and put it up.
All right, I'll put it up whenever I leave. Whenever y'all leave.
Yes. That's all he has to do.
I don't
We're
have.
trying to be
I won't
simple.
ride it no more. I won't turn it on no more. I
That's
promise
it.
you. Like
That's
I told
it.
her.
You got it.
All right, you got it.
Perfect.
Thank you guys.
Perfect.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Just don't
Go
ride
ahead.
anymore. Put it in your truck. You'll be good to go.
This is what happens when over-policing runs into someone who actually knows their rights. It all starts at Stone Mountain Park, where a man gets stopped after riding his four-wheeler. According to him, a park employee said it was fine, but the cops? Suddenly, sidewalks and trails are considered state roads. Georgia must have updated the traffic code without telling anyone. Here's the kicker. He's already done riding. He's there to fish, not stir up trouble, but that doesn't stop officers from escalating. They demand ID, ask where his truck is, and even take his keys, acting like his property is theirs to grab. But this guy doesn't fold. Calm and in control, he questions the legal basis for the stop, challenges the ID demand. He's not refusing to cooperate, he's just not letting them walk all over him. Then comes the line that stops them cold. If I'm free to go, I'm free to stay. You could practically hear their badges shrinking. Massive respect for how he handled it. They came looking for a problem and ended up becoming it. Let's keep going.
Can't record inside.
I'm not inside.
You can't record inside the building, all right?
Yes, I can.
All right, no, you can't.
Yes,
all right,
I
do
can.
it again. I'm locking you up. All right? You can't record inside the building.
That is a violation of my First Amendment rights,
All
sir.
right, if you think that, then that's all right.
In fact, the law you're breaking right now is PA 185301.
Read the sign right there. Right there.
Yeah. Am I inside?
You're recording people inside the building, yes.
Am I inside?
You can't record inside.
You can't judge, you can't say anything about what I do outside. I'm on the sidewalk. Doesn't matter. Anything I can view from a public viewpoint, I can film. The eyes cannot transplant. This is where I'm standing on the street is public. If I can see it, then I can film it. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Does not matter. If I can see it, I can film it. You don't want me to film in there? Block the whole thing off so I can't see. I am not. You're breaking law by telling me I can't. It's PA 185301, official suppression of civil rights.
Nobody wants anybody videotaping. The defendants in here don't want their case taken either.
It doesn't matter.
Yes, it does.
It does not. It doesn't matter. I am not inside.
Listen to me.
Does not matter. This is a public easement. No, it doesn't. It 100% does not matter.
You can videotape out here. Don't videotape inside this.
It's still going to happen.
The sign on the door. Nobody wants this.
That sign on the door only matters inside, not on the street. Go f*** yourself, Tyrant. Happy Fuck the Cops Day, everybody!
Once you videotape inside this building, you're breaking the law.
I am not breaking the law. You need to go
Inside
educate
this
yourself.
building, it's not a public area.
Outside is.
Outside is, but you're videotaping inside the building.
Doesn't matter. If I can see it from a public viewpoint, I can film it. Smith v. Cummings.
Keep in mind, cops will lie to try to intimidate you so they can control you, so they can tell you to do exactly what they want you to do. I think we all should stay up to date on our state, local, and federal laws so we can have some power behind our words if we find ourselves in a situation where a cop is trying to give you unlawful orders. Also, you heard Pennsylvania mention Smith v. Cummings. What that is case law out of the 11th Circuit, where 3 judges ruled that citizens do have the right to videotape police officers in public during their course of duty. Luckily, in America, you can't trespass what the eyes can see from public. Unfortunately, some cops will try.
But that's going to do it for this video. Much love to these awesome creators. Again, make sure you use the links in the description to go check out their channels and show them some love. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next episode.